have for you 4 incredible free-to-play crypto games. Okay, I'm going to talk to you about them right now, but first, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. So guys, starting number 1, it's Calvaria.io. Now this is a P2E battle card game set beyond the Vial of Death. Dual earn and upgrade your cards to become the ultimate force on the battlefield. You can already see how crazy this is looking, alright? You can actually make RIA tokens, okay? You can withdraw them and claim them if you have it staked. Now, guys, this is supported by KuCoin, Winvein, Polygon Studios. There's some big mentions and some big articles, and I'm going to show you right now how this game looks. So guys, this is the trailer, okay? This epic P2E battle. You got some sort of demon-looking dragons, all right, going to start fighting. You're simply placing your cards down, all right, guys? You're collecting the best cards, trading the cards, getting the best NFTs, and using them to play against different armies. There's 3 different kind of armies. You've got the heroes, the ethers, and the Tracons, okay? These are going to be involved, and you choose what category. It's got to be a lot of statistics into the NFTs of how you can use this, but you can also stake these, okay? And you can earn money from selling and trading the NFTs. Now, guys, an incredible project. So do your own research into this, okay? Calvaria is one of probably the scariest games, but I know definitely going to be one of the most profitable. So guys, let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is Econia, okay? We all love them land NFT builds, all right? So you're building your own crypto future. You can do this on the App Store or Google Play. Econia is the world of the crypto future where high technology is intrinsically intertwined with elements of archaism and even magic. So gamers need to build their own business empires, complete chains of production, goods, maneuvering between unsteady supply and demand, and an ever-changing world. As you move your mouth across here, you can actually see what's going on. This world is super cool, all right? Let's have a little look. So you're building on this land. We all love things like this, sandbox, decentralized, all right? But this one looks a bit more like if you ever played Theme Park Roller Coaster, things like Theme Park Hospital, them animated games, all right? Really nice, a really nice niche that people are getting dove into. So we have the gameplay that provide the players with the best gameplay. You can monetize this with your efforts, providing ROI for investors, and the community, of course, is big on collecting and trading these NFTs. Guys, that's number 2. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is over at Robotera.ia, okay? Robotera is actually super cool. It's the next big P2E metaverse game claimed by them. Build the world of tarot your way. Become a robot to discover, play, and earn. The tarot token will power the whole Robotera metaverse from development to the in-game currency, P2E gameplay, NFTs, and in-game stores. So you can buy directly with USDT or ETH, all right? After the pre-sale ends, you'll actually be able to claim your tarot tokens. So guys, it's really incredible what they're doing here, and that's why it's been featured in some of the biggest communities, all right? Bitcoin is, business community, the Economic Times, CoinSpeaker, MarketWatch, all right, things like that, Yahoo, Benziga, you can actually go and read about them. It's fully audited and KYC verified. You can actually see that online right now. How do you get involved with this? You need to set yourself up a MetaMask or wallet connector. Do recommend MetaMask, okay? And buy some tarot with your ETH or USDT. The ecosystem of this, okay, it's like a sandbox-like planet rebuilding metaverse. You'll become a robot managing your own land and participating in creation of the world. It can also acquire resources from land, creating robot companions, creating everything you can imagine to start a new era with robots. Guys, there's a lot of these coming out, as you can see just from this video. Land sales are flying through crypto roofs, okay? You want to get yourself part of this metaverse. So let's move on to number 4. Memag is number 4, okay? Last but not least, they are changing the rules of the game so you can enter the MetaMasters Guild. Working as a guild enables you to collaborate with leading game developers on multiple gaming projects with a common theme and emphasis on producing fun and addictive play-to-earn games, specifically for the mobile gaming market. So they're trying to conquer the mobile gaming market, all right? It's 100% secure here with the contract code, fully audited online, which is fantastic. Now guys, what can you do in here, okay? This is fast becoming one of the biggest hype games published in the boundaries of play-to-earn space. The mission is to be the largest mobile gaming guild on Web3, creating fun and addictive gaming titles with playable NFTs where community can earn rewards, stake, and trade. MetaMask Guild is just another gaming guild in the future play-to-earn. So you got the play-to-games to win gems. You can exchange gems for Memag tokens. You can win or buy NFTs from the store, stake tokens, NFTs to earn yield, or exchange the Memag to ETH or USDT. Guys, look at some of the games that are on here, right? They got Metacart, they got Masters World, Raid NFT. All these games are looking super cool. They're featured in so many different business and crypto Web3 spaces communities. And of course, the newly added NFTs will pop up on the website and you can get involved right now. Guys, that's number 4. Please do your own research to all of these projects. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'm going to see you on the next video.